Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Hey. So today I'm going to do an empties video and just kind of give a recap on my thoughts on these products and whether or not I would repurchase. Okay, so first up I have the Myell Moisture RX Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Overnight Conditioner. You all know that I tried this recently in a video and I only tried it for an hour. However, I've tried it a couple of times after that overnight and it is something that I really do like. It's a really thick, creamy, moisturizing product. The product has a fresh, spicy kind of scent with a tint of like a tropical essence of sorts. If I see it on the ground and it's $5 like it was at the ubiquitous Women's Expo, I would definitely pick it up. But other than that, not really something I will rush to grab again. Next up is the Camaros Naturals Aloe Whipped Butter Gel. I don't recall ever trying this in a video, but this is something that I've mentioned previously. I really enjoy using this as like a base. I know it's called a butter gel, but it doesn't have any hold for me and my hair. Specifically, if I'm using it for a wash and go, it really just gives me a good base underneath of the gel and helps my hair from going super crunchy, and it helps my hair from looking and feeling dry. What I typically do is I'll layer this on top of a leave-in conditioner and then apply my gel over top of this. So while it's called a butter gel, it ain't holding nothing over here. As far as repurchasing, I actually already have another one in my stash and I'll definitely keep this in my rotation, especially during wash and go season. Next up is the Main Choices Prickly Pear Paradise Apply to Dry Overnight Mask. I already have a review on basically this entire line. Oh, it smells so good. I think that this was kind of my introduction to dry overnight deep conditioning. Granted, I've done it before, but to have a product specifically say to apply to dry, dirty hair and leave it on overnight, like, this was probably an innovator with regards to actually saying that. Great slip, great moisture. I never got a chance to try it after actually shampooing my hair, but while I did really enjoy using this, I probably wouldn't repurchase it unless, again, I find it on the ground for $3, $4, $5. I know that I've seen this line as well as other lines from the Main Choice and like Marshalls and stuff like that. So if I ever feel the itch to buy this again and it's on the ground for a significantly cheaper price than $14.99, then I will probably grab it again. But otherwise, not necessary. If I really wanted to pre-poo or deep condition overnight on dry, dirty hair, I can do that with any conditioner. So next is the Shea Moisture African Water Mint and Ginger Detox and Refresh Hair and Scalp Gentle Shampoo. Why is the name of this shampoo so long? I think I mentioned this in maybe 1 or 2 previous videos. I love this shampoo. It was nice and refreshing. It can be a little overpowering, especially if you're in a hot, steamy shower, but I really enjoy using this in particular when I'm using a heavy product and I feel like I have a lot of buildup. It just gives my scalp a breath of fresh air. It just feels like when you bite into a York peppermint patty. It gave me slip and it cleaned my hair and scalp without making my hair feel stripped. So definitely would repurchase this. This is a line I also see in Marshalls or TJ Maxx, so this is definitely something I would pick up again. Next up is the Pantene Micellar Conditioner. I actually grabbed the shampoo and conditioner from Target a while ago. I haven't finished the shampoo yet, but the conditioner is so moisturizing. I've yet to come across a Pantene product that I don't like. Pantene has always been clutch with affordable and accessible hair products, especially if you're new in the natural hair game and you're not trying to fork out Camaros or Main Choice money. Pantene is definitely something I would recommend. If you're ingredient conscious, Pantene probably would not be the way to go for you. However, if you're looking for something cheap and cheerful that's going to be effective in your hair, Pantene is the way to go. Specifically in the micellar line, there are a couple other scents and fragrances and other active ingredients they have that I haven't gotten around to yet, but yes, it will likely never happen again, but if I'm ever in a bind and I need to grab something on the go or I need something that I know is going to work for me, I will definitely pick this up again. Next up is the Bumble Anti-Humidity Gel Oil. I actually grabbed this at an outlet cosmetics store and it was significantly cheaper than it is in Sephora. I think I saw a video a few years ago of the Glam Twins, I think it was Kelsey, trying this out on a wash and go and I desperately wanted it. It's a super gooey, lightweight texture, so it didn't really have a lot of hold for me and it actually caused some flaking. It's actually not completely empty. It's expired and I've tried it a couple of times and it just hasn't worked for me. So unfortunately, this is definitely not something I would repurchase. But if you're in the market for something really lightweight, definitely give this a try. Next, I have the Honey's Handmade Melba's Kitchen Collection Peppermint Deep Penetrating Mask. This was actually a limited edition product that came in an anniversary box, in which the owner, Valencia, actually did an ode to some of her mother's recipes. I don't know if I've ever mentioned Honey's Handmade in a previous video, but what I can say is I have yet to try a product from Honey's Handmade that I don't like. While this company has a lot of room for growth and improvement with regards to shipping, this has some decent slip. It gave me some good moisture. This and a lot of other Honey's Handmade products have great ingredients that are really nourishing to the hair and scalp and can help with length retention as well. Even though the Melba's Kitchen collection was limited edition, I know that there were a few products from the collection that she did make permanent. So if you're in the market to support a Black woman-owned business, or you're looking for some quality ingredients and you don't mind necessarily waiting, definitely pick up some products from Honey's Handmade. I definitely intend on repurchasing this and other products from the line if this is still available. Next up is the Curls Blueberry Bliss Twist and Shout Cream. I really enjoyed this. I actually had to steal this back from my mother because she also enjoyed using it before she cut her hair. The Twist and Shout Cream doesn't give a lot of hold, but as far as moisture, definition, and giving the hair some shine, this is amazing. Definitely something I would recommend if you see it on the ground, and especially if you see it on sale. Would I repurchase? Not necessarily at this time because I have a lot of curl creams and other products that I need to get through. But if there's a great sale and I feel like I need something that I know will work, I would definitely pick this up again. Next up, this product has a special place in my heart. This is the Oyen Handmade Juices and Berries, and this is my travel size container. I've already repurchased this. I have a full-size one waiting and ready. This has been clutch in my regimen for years. I will continue to repurchase this, and this little container I'm actually going to keep so that way I can take a travel size amount of this with me when I'm on the go and I need to refresh, I need to retwist, I need to rebraid, or if I just want my hair to smell delicious. Love this. Would highly recommend. Oyen is actually local to me, so I'll definitely always have this on hand. This has been a staple for many, many moons. It will continue to be a staple. Last but not least, this is the Main Choices Cheers Gelato. I've already repurchased it 3 times over. Yes, I have 3 in my stash as of now. I cleaned up during that recent Main Choice 60% off sale. This is Balm. I prefer this over the Main Choice's Braid Out Glaze just because it's less sticky to me, and it just gives me great moisture and shine and definition and all of that. I'm actually going to co-wash my hair and use it today. If you're in the market for a new gel or just a styler that you know will give you long-lasting definition, shine, moisture, and all of the good things, definitely pick this up, and if you don't like it, take it back or send it to me. That is all of my empties. My tote bag is officially empty. So be sure to let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. Let me know if you try any of these products and whether you would repurchase them. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.